Reply Keeper is the ultimate browser extension designed to help you save, organize, and instantly paste your text snippets effortlessly. Let me show you how it works. Once you have installed Reply Keeper, open the extension and click the Add New Text button. Type your text title or name and write or paste your message. You can style text with rich formatting. Hit save and that's it. You can create as many text snippets as you need, making it perfect for saving frequently used messages like email replies, social media responses, AI prompts, customer support templates, or any text you type repeatedly. Copying and pasting is quick and seamless. Just click the copy button to copy any saved snippet to your clipboard, or click the paste button to instantly paste it directly into any text field, for example, Gmail Compose. No more switching between apps or windows to find your saved text. Reply Keeper also helps you stay organized. You can move your snippets up or down to prioritize them, or pin important ones to the top. To make changes, simply click Edit, update the text with full formatting support, save, and it's ready to use. If a snippet is no longer needed, deleting it takes just a click, with an undo option in case of mistakes. You can also use the search bar to quickly find any saved message by title or content. Other great features include export and import options to back up your snippets or transfer them between devices. This extension is all about saving you time and making your workflow smoother, whether you are working, studying, managing customer support, or handling personal tasks. So search for Reply Keeper in your browser's extension store or the given link. Install it today and take control of your text snippets. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to productivity. If you find Reply Keeper useful, consider supporting development.